I'm back! Thanks so much to Ashley who sat in for me for 2 weeks. So we're halfway through the series and it's definitely not getting easier. Today might have the contestants going in circles and stepping, but not in the name of love. I wonder if they're having any regrets yet. I'm Talia and this is Losing It.
Blue team right now, we're struggling a little bit with workout and weight loss. On the knee?
This week I gained like 5 pounds and I was doing the same thing, and then when it was time to weigh in, I was where I was before, which I was thankful for, but I was frustrated within the week.
Karen, on the knee, big pop, you don't say big man push up, you're coming right down and push, that's all.
Push up an easy thing for me to and shit, and so that I really was telling him that give really hard push up and he give us the easy ones. Maybe he was trying to have a little leniency on Karen, but not on me because I just run through that. That is nothing.
I've told him before push-ups are not my strong point because it hurts my back. So I don't tend to do push-ups. Even when he gives me push-ups at home, I do them like he showed me the girly way, and I'm trying.
I was really and truly annoyed with the complaining because by now they're supposed to get used to certain exercise. So I was really wondering what was going on this week with both of them.
Clearly I'm here because I want to lose the weight. But if my back is hurting and push-ups don't work for me at home, they don't work for me at the gym, they're not gonna work for me now. I thought I did pretty good on the leg lifts. You know, I tend to close my eyes when I'm working out because I'm really trying to zone in and focus.
All right, good.
All right, six-pack is just six. Keg is something that you fill the six-pack out of. So you can get more than six-pack out of a keg.
Come, Poppy, so you want a six-pack, don't you?
No, I don't get.
You know, down with the leg and up, pull up. Yeah, man, pull up.
I'm not grudging people for them six-pack. I just want to know my healthy and just take off my weight and good. But if a little keg didn't make it go and stay, the married one keg is good.
Karen, you off the ground?
I was on the ground, but then I got up.
Up more, Karen.
Oh, man.
Come on, up, man.
No, man.
Up, come up. Come again, let me help you. Up, come on.
It's just, I think, a matter of me practicing the plank. But I'm better than I was the first time, I would like to believe.
Why are you touching
15
me?
more seconds.
Don't
you need to come up, you need to come up. Up same time, you're resting too long.
Oh my God!
I'm losing weight, so I'm feeling good. As you can tell, shirt is still the same, but I'm a little smaller, if you can say that.
Ready? 1, 2. I'm not quite satisfied where they are right now. I don't think they're putting in as much work as they should be doing.
On my way, I felt sick. I was having cramps at some point. There were points when I felt nauseous. There were points when I felt like I wanted to throw up, but then I didn't want to throw up. It was just a whole...
The full body circuit that we did, she's not, I don't know, I think she was not in the best mood. She wasn't feeling well, but also she was just not putting through the workout. Elise, what happened?
Yeah, the workout good, man. I'm improving. I'm getting more reps in, more sets in, and I'm doing more on my own, like differently. So this circuit wasn't too hard for me.
6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I know she's not feeling well, but it was like she was just into a serious mood. Trying to get her out of it all day, talking to her, finding out what is going on. And she couldn't, she said she wasn't feeling well and she don't know, she can't explain to me what she's feeling.
As terrible as I felt, I really couldn't explain in words what I was feeling. And I don't even know where the tears came from. Probably somewhere between depression and anxiety at this point.
It was a good week. It was a good workout. I'm seeing where they can do more. I'm seeing where the eating can be better.
Trainings have been good. I mean,
I've been doing a lot on my own because Master Brian sometimes can't be at the gym with us.
5 weeks is a drain on the body and the mind. But when after the 5 weeks and you look back and then you see that some results are there, it's worth it.
I can see the intensity has changed for him. Like somebody knock him in the head and say, "Yo, you have to pull your socks up and get things done." So, I mean, I'm glad that he's finally recognizing that without the work you can't get the outcome that you want.
Part of the change is probably an ego thing. I think people are talking about him not, doing his best, not listening, all those things. We get the feedback on the streets. And that he's hearing that and he's trying, which is good. But there's still a problem because him still need to slow down and not just hear, but listen and do what needs to be done.
The lunch for me, I think, is one of the ones that give me a lot of pressure. But clean and press and the lifting of the weights and all of that, the curls and so, it was somewhat strenuous, but after you get into the second and third, but when you reach down to the last part of it now, that's when you kick in.
If they do their best, then we can't ask for nothing more.
When we get back, the contestants learn all about juicing, and Master Brian has them step in. Losing it, the wait is over. We'll be right back.